Another Thursday means another Supreme live cop. I'm low-key a little bit under the weather, but we back in this bitch again for another Supreme week. It is like week 10, which means that we're halfway through. For that alone, leave a like on this video. Today we were going for a cookie jar, which low-key retail for this shit was way more than I budgeted in my mind for. But y'all already know impulse gets the best of me on Thursday, and I ended up going for it. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, make sure y'all click the post notification bells because I got more content on the way as usual. Let's not waste no more time and get straight to it. Yo, if y'all decided to cop anything this week, let me know in the comments. If you decided to sleep, let me know as well. I feel like this week was hit or miss for a lot of people. For me, there was one thing calling my name, and that's the only thing I was going for. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So boom, it's 11 in the morning. Y'all already know Supreme takes its time dropping these days, but after a little while it actually loaded. I'm like, yo, let me go to the cookie jar, add that shit to cart, waste no time. I could not miss this shit. So I'm literally already doing the Apple Pay shit, you feel me, is scanning my face and it's processing, bro. This took me a matter of 15 seconds tops to get this shit in my cart and start processing. Obviously it takes this little time or whatever to make sure everything's straight, but it loaded up as cooked. Yes, I got it, bro. The cookie jar might be my biggest impulse this season. I'm talking to my girl, telling her like I'm not gonna buy this shit, but I looked at it and your boy was looking too good this morning to miss out on it. It is pricey, bro, yes, but I bit the bullet, pulled the trigger, whatever y'all want to call it. I ended up going for it. Let me know if this is an item that y'all slept on simply because of the price. I understand, you feel me, but I backed out and I went back in to see if the shit sold out. It wasn't sold out a minute in, which was kind of steep. I went to the fitted. I'm like, yo, what is that shit talking about? It's kind of ass. Check this little beanie, kind of ass. This hat right here was actually hard and it caught me by surprise that it was just sitting. This beanie was hard as well, bro. Shit was just sitting this morning. That don't make no sense. But after that, I went back to the cookie jar. At this point, it's like 11:02 and shit wasn't sold out, bro. I'm low-key about to check while filming this shit if it's sold out, because if it's sitting there, I'm gonna be sick. But yeah, man, that's what I decided to go for this week. I'm excited to get it in and do a review on it or whatever the case may be. It says that the shit is like 12 inches big, which is a foot in case y'all don't know. So yeah, you could fit a lot of cookies in this bitch, bro. I'm gonna have to make some cookies or something and put it in this jar right here. Let me know in the comments if this is one of your favorite accessories this season. For me, it's definitely top 3. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My last package from Supreme actually touched down too, so that unboxing is gonna drop probably in a couple days, you feel me? Subscribe and stay tuned. Not really gonna prolong this video too much more. If y'all did enjoy this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel for more content, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.